Good morning, students. Today's our topic is B tree. Here, in search trees like binary search tree, AVL tree, so on, like this is also one type of tree. Here, binary search also we are searching the some element, and then AVL tree also we are searching the some elements, but the conditions are different. Like that, here also same, but in binary search and AVL tree, every node contains only one value and maximum of two children. Every node contains one value and maximum of two children. That means here, suppose here one is the node, this node having only one value, and then the node having only two children. Like this in AVL tree as well as binary search tree and so many trees. But B tree is somewhat different. What the B tree? There is some special type of search tree called a B tree. Special type of tree. What the special in B tree? In which node contains more than one value and then more than two children. A node contains more than one value and more than two children. That means if a node having more than one value, more than two children, then it is called as a B tree. Okay, and then actually B tree developed by in 1972, by the Bayer and McCreight with name of height balanced M-way search. Actually, when the B tree was introduced, first that name was height balanced M-way search tree. Later it was named as B tree. After that it was named as B tree. Before it called as a height balanced M-way search tree. Okay, and then here what B tree or B plus tree, whatever it may be, here B tree. B tree is a self-balanced search tree. B tree also a self-balanced search tree. And AVL tree also a self-balanced search tree. In AVL tree having the balancing factors 0, 1 and then minus 1. Here that balancing factors are not there. Only self-balanced search tree when the condition is in which every node contains multiple keys and then has more than two children. This is the condition here B tree. Every node contains multiple keys and has more than two children. In binary search having every node having two children. At most two children every node. Binary means what? Two. That's why in a tree every node having only two children. In AVL tree also like that only. AVL tree also that. Binary search tree also like that. Binary means two means every node contains only two nodes. But in B tree here every node contains multiple keys and has more than two children. Here number of keys in a node and number of children from a node depends on the order. నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ కీస్ ఇన్ ఏ నోడ్లో ఎన్ని కీస్ ఉండాలి అండ్ దెన్ ఆ పర్టికులర్ నోడ్కి ఎన్ని చిల్డ్రన్స్ ఉండాలని డిసైడ్ చేసేదే ఆర్డర్. హియర్ ద మెయిన్ థింగ్ ఈజ్ order. Number of keys in a node and number of children for a node depends on the order. Okay, and then B tree of order have the some following properties. B tree having the some following properties. That following properties must satisfy the B tree. It's main important. And then first property. What's the first property here? All leaf nodes must be in same level. All leaf nodes, whatever the nodes we have, that all the leaf nodes, in the leaf nodes means last level of a tree, that all leaf nodes must be a same level. And then property 2, here all nodes except root, that means except root must have at least m by 2 minus 1 keys and maximum of m minus 1 keys. M by 2, here m is the order. I already told number of keys and then number of children in a node depends upon the order. Here m is nothing but order. That means all nodes except root must have at least m by 2 minus 1 keys. M is a order. For example, m is equal to 4. That means 4 by 2 means 2. 2 minus 1 means 1. Okay, here first key, and maximum of how many of children here? M minus 1. That means 4 minus 1, 3 keys. Maximum of 3 keys. And then property 3. All non-leaf nodes. Non-leaf nodes means leaf nodes ki abound in nodes becomes a non-leaf nodes. Except root must have at least m by 2 children. M by 2 m means what? Order. That order is 4. 4 by 2 means what? 4 by 2 means 2 children. All non-leaf nodes except root must have at least 2 children. Property 4. If the root node is non-leaf node, if the root node is non-leaf node, then it must at least 2 children. If the root node having the non-leaf node, then it must have at least 2 children. And then property 5. A non-leaf node with n minus 1 keys must have n is the number of children. Non-leaf node with n minus 1 keys must have number of children. All the keys values in a node must be in ascending order. Whatever the keys values, that all the key values must be, you have to place in a tree, that is a B tree, that will follow the ascending order. Okay, here I will take one example. Construct a B tree from 1 to 10. I will take the values from 1 to 10. First listen here. First I insert the 1 value. Here 1. Here the leaf node is there. Okay, and then next listen. Here next value is insert 2. Here the empty place is there. So that's why the 2 will be placed here leaf node. Okay, this is the root, this is the leaf node, this is the root, this is the leaf node. Okay, indexing way. B tree means not like this the square box. Okay, must have 2 nodes. Okay, and then this one is 1 and this one is empty. Why? Because I inserting the value is 1 only, and after that I inserting the value is 2. So I indexed it, I placed it here. There is no another nodes, and then next time I insert the value of 3. There is anything here empty leaf nodes are there? No, nothing at all. So this one is extra one. Suppose I have to place here this one is it does not satisfy the B tree property. So I must first split that 3 values. Okay, which way I can split means 1 2 3. Which one is the middle one? 2 is the middle one. So I will take 2 is the first root, and then 1 3 is the child nodes of 2. Okay, here like this. 2 is a root node, and then 1 3. I already told node means like this. That means node having this one, and this one is a root, this one is a leaf node. Like this we have to place in B tree, not like this. Okay, and then next value I have to place. Next one is what? 4. Why? Because 1 to 10 I want to create a B tree. Here 4 means here this one is the root. Compared to root node, whatever the node you have to keep, that node is greater. Okay, key value, no, not like node, here key value 2. Compared to 2, key value of 4 is greater than of 2. So I have to place in right side. Okay, greater values I have to place in right side. No, so root node compared to root node, greater value is 4, and then here 3 having the empty leaf node, here 3 having the empty leaf node. Then I place 4 here. Okay, then I place 4 here. After that I have to place 5, but here there is no empty leaf nodes. There is no empty leaf node. That's why what I have to do here, again having the 3 values. Then now also I have to split. Which one is the middle one? 4 is the middle one. So that 4 will be placed in here root node having some empty place, some empty leaf node. No, then 4 will be placed here. Okay, and then again having, then 4 will be placed. How many nodes we have now? 3 childrens, 3 childrens, not nodes, 3 childrens we have. Why? Because here 1 3 5, 1 3 5, okay. And then every having the leaf nodes, every children having some leaf nodes, okay. Then next I have to place 6. Here root nodes are 2 4, root nodes are 2 4. Then where I have to keep place the 6? Here compared to 2 4, 6 will be the 4, after 4 only 6 will place, okay. Compared to 4, 6 will be the greater, so 5 having some leaf node, empty leaf node, so here I place the 6. Next which one I have to keep? 7 I want to insert the B tree, so here 7 I will place here, again having the 3 nodes, which now what I can do? Here 6 will be the middle one, then I want to split here. Which way I can split? Here suppose 6 I will be మిడిల్ వన్ మా 6 అనేది మిడిల్ వన్, దీన్ని నేను మిడిల్ వన్ కాబట్టి సో 6ని ఇక్కడ ప్లేస్ చేస్తే కూడా సో ఏమవుతుంది 2 4 అనేవి మళ్ళీ అగైన్ 3 వస్తాయి, సో దీన్ని అగైన్ స్ప్లిట్ చేయాలి. సో మిడిల్ వన్ ఏంది ఇక్కడ 6 ఇక్కడికి వచ్చింది అనుకో, మిడిల్ వన్ ఏమవుతుంది 4 అవుతుంది, సో 4ని ఇప్పుడు స్ప్లిట్ చేస్తారు, ఓకే. 4 and then again 2 6, 4 having 4 is the root node, and then 2 6 are the childrens, and 2 6 also a root nodes, and 2 having the childrens of 1 3, 6 having the 5 7. Now I insert the 8, 7 having the some empty leaf node, so 8 will be placed. Now I want to insert the 9 value. Here 9 I have to place here 4 2 6. Here 9 I want to place, means here there is no empty leaf node, then this way then I want to split. Here 8 will be stored in 6 having some leaf node, no, so 6 after 6 it will be placed. Then next 9 also having the separate children for 8, and then next I want to place I want to insert 10 value. Here 9 having the some empty leaf node, so simply it stores in here like this. B tree having the inserting values. Here the first property is what? All leaf nodes must be is same level. Here the all leaf nodes, whatever the leaf nodes here, that all the leaf nodes are having the same level. There is no up and downs, all are having 1 2 3 4 5 only. There is, suppose here this one is not there, means 1 3 5 7, that means how many leaf nodes we have? 1 2 3 4, not like this. So every leaf nodes are must be in same level. And then next one property, all nodes except root must have at least m by 2 minus 1 keys and maximum of m minus 1 keys, m by 2 minus 1 keys. Here except root node m by 2, suppose order is 4, assume, then m by 2 means 2 minus 1 key, so every node having at least 1 key or more than not nothing at all, first at least 1 key in a node, okay. How many maximum of how many? m minus 1 means 4 minus 1, that means 3, okay. Here m is a 4, order is 4, that means m minus 1 keys, m by 2 minus 1 keys, that means 4 by 2 minus 1, that means 2 minus 1 key. Every node having at least 1 key or more than m minus 1, that means m minus 1 is 4 minus 1 3 keys, okay. Every node having the storage capacity having what? Or 1 key or at least more than m minus 1 keys, that means 3 keys here. And then next one, here next property what? All non-leaf nodes except root must have at least m by 2 children. All non-leaf nodes are what? Here leaf nodes are 1 3 5 7, non-leaf nodes are 2 6 8. Non-leaf nodes are 2 6 8. So then all leaf nodes except Here all non-leaf nodes except root must have at least 2 by m by 2 children. M ante 4. 4 by 2 means what? 2 children. That means every node having 2 children. Non-leaf nodes are 2, 6, 8. Here 2 having how many children? 2 children, and 6, 8 are having the single enough. That's the 2 children. Okay. And then next property 4, what? If the root node is non-leaf node, then it must have at least 2 children. Here root node is the non-leaf node. Why? Because this is not a root node is non-leaf node. When you say that like that, here this one is a root node, this one is a root node, there is no children for that. This is a root node, this is a leaf node. Okay, like this. But here this is a root node having some leaf nodes. This is a non-leaf nodes. Why? Because here having some another level also. This is the leaf nodes, this is the non-leaf nodes. 2, 6, 8 except root. 2, 6, 8 are the leaf nodes. The property 5 belongs to root node except having, that means 2 children. Except root, every root having 2 children must have at least 2 children. Okay, that satisfies the condition, satisfies the property. And then property 5 is a non-leaf node with n minus 1 keys must have, n is the number of children. N is nothing but order, I think, order. And then 4 minus 1 means 3. 3 keys mean the children, 3 keys of a children. Property 6, all the key values in a node must be in ascending order. Like this only here placed. Here 4 is, and then 2, 1, 3, and then 6, 8, 5, 7, 9, 10. Ascending order satisfies this condition also. This is a B tree. B tree is nothing but, B tree is a self-balanced search tree, then in which every node contains multiple keys and more than 2 children. Every node contains multiple keys and more than 2 children. Another way, this also called as a M-way tree. M-way tree. Why? Because before B tree we called as a height balanced M-way tree. Thank you students. Thank you.